In this video, I'd like to explain the January 2023 enhancements to the HTTP API trigger. So let's go ahead and just jump right in here. We're going to create a workflow with the HTTP API trigger. One thing to note, if you go into this trigger and you click the invocation tab, you'll notice that it's empty. This is not a change, but it's always good to note. For the webhooks to show up, you have to publish it. So always, before you do anything, publish your flow. And you will notice that now the webhooks are there. So what we want to do then is add this webhook, one of these webhooks, to your third-party integration. We're just going to do this with Jotform today for this example. I'm going to take this bottom webhook here. This webhook is a combination of the top two. So I'm going to copy that to the clipboard. I'm going to go over here to Jotform. I just created this form. For this particular integration, you go into Settings. And then you go down to Integrations. You're going to want to search for webhook. And we'll just paste the webhook right here. Complete integration. All right, so that's integrated. So then to see how this works is we're going to go back over here to Zenphi. We're just going to add a log to history, configure it, and we'll take the things we have here in the trigger. So a lot of times in our, the way we did this before is we had the HTTP body, and that's what we would mostly get all of our information from. Different integrations send it over differently, and so you may find that the information you need for your flow is in the form data. So let's see what that brings over when we submit the form. Save it, publish it, and publish. We'll finish here. Publish this. Let's just fill it out real quick. Submit. And it probably ran already. So if we go over here to the gear icon and we go into recent runs, we will see that it did run. Let's go into it here. And now if we open the log to history, you'll see that it did definitely send over what we wanted it to. So we added this is the form data between these curly braces, and that is what we needed. So had we not added that, we would not have been able to get any data from Jotform. And so hopefully this helps you out as you're using these. I know that a lot of you use these triggers, and this gives you much more metadata from various forms.